Ndorubanga manda, must the difference.
Ruben, thank you for having me.
100%.
So I think Univen right now, they were pushing or in doctrine. Then rap like even not just Van rap, man. You know, to a point where music our venda I'm the root, you know.
Dingo.
Yeah, I'm the root. So give me my flowers when I'm alive. Give me the belt. Give me the crown, you know.
Hey, they need to hustle hard to be visible because we don't know them. Phil was there last year. He's also booked this year. We're seeing Rootkid Venda is on the come up as well, is doing well. Those are people who are putting in work that we see, you know.
Hey yo, this is a boy, man, girl, Mr. Do this all the time. You already know what it is, man. Let's do this.
Hey, Van Rap Show.
Nenda gudo. It's simple. Ngori, the very same song ine yakureach streams nyingi. Ndi urembo lorukodwa rotofedzisera urembo lwaunofhe murei. Ndolurukoda nga last minute ne. Usichana fulufelo lorunga tyo dovai lorunga limbo kaipi.
Ningori novala.
Novala. So I've learned to be patient.
Yeah, kurubanga manda, Sangamisi, in the Zerwamba. This is a boy, man, girl, Missy, do this all the time. Bapfa, hoy mukosi, badiboriya. Robuya, we are back. Abazite the favor. Abashare link. Nambudziso, abadana dimbudziso. Namusi. Yeah, rafara banda bene. Titizo ndi track if you idea bangwe producer. How bana mahola. Titibi ngore. Ai. Araniko upfa. It was written. Araniko upfa. Lagos in Venda. Araniko upfa. Yeah. Araniko upfa murei. Araniko upfa. Heban. Yeah. Titibi zori. Lurimbo lufio lune haba banai. Abangolu producer. Nikomba nganyi sound lucid. Yeah, ndiye kuna ndiko pronouncer ngachi gwaimane ngandira yone. Hebana. Do yourself a favor. Share this live. Dana dimbuso zabeiwe. Ndizwingi zinena msirdomba ngazo na haba nabere bafi sound lucid. Chikuwa generator to bahashu. Anna zwingwe bapa noni baba hayani something amanda. Wakers day. Yeah, duba la bashumi ba wele ndia koroi. But ndikare wori ndera hinyambezano ya shuna sound lucid big j na thrill ndidabana bozo zino muyani afanoni tomeri hasereze rifori eban abana ngori boshimanga manda ukutangana mini ngori abana divana bene ya boshimanga manda na zvino bakazishumanga manda nyimbo dzine ndiko dzitamba ndi abana bodi producer kamsa nzvidivi mara namusi ndozvidiva mbuso dzavewe dziri mini arani na mbutso dzine nyengo kudzisa hababana sound lucids ndishangangeini ya ndidotamba limwe la dhinga line hababanayi ya warojena pasi mugwalani ba producer nyimbo ndinji batu bahashu nyimbo zinebewe nizifuna nga mandesa hababanayi Boto producer. Atumendi ingange ndishina squatch. Yeah. List inoni. Yeah, yo daranga manda to bahash. Vanji, Vicky, Mpoel, Volo. Unarina and Misofil, Paulina. JR player, Maramba. JR player, Ratchakil, Misofil, Hemtanga Murray. JR player Unarine Shikwembu JR player Asati and Crosswave amfarele JR Player and Unarine since lockdown chidoshi wewe ngangeni hawa bana potishela mlenje kazi production ndinabo namusi Sound Lucid arabe unajimbuziso hebana idani ndihayani fano rantamba lingwe la dinga line hawa banai waro likwaya boli producer ndi dinga line rothore lifuna ngamanda ndi dinga le ya loro tambiwa ka heila thandela ya misofili anafazore ya hey hotakuwa chithu ndikwamba kadinga lifiyo ndikwamba nga Chiefo charge nga misofili michinini ai Sound Lucid heaven though you're bad sito we bad in the musi ndikwamba ngorali ya ndikori nibe nikosendera nikobidza zikhonani nikobidza mngana nikobidza for my friend everyone or yeah we are back and we are back comment zabewe azid khuluma ngamanda bathu bangaho bo young unique na bathu bangaho wa mashudu welcome nebutaru bonoshera mulenje bonomba chipinda cha himbe kanya mishubo. This is a boy man girl Mr. Do this all the time. Let me play you Chiefo charge.
So I think Univen right now they were pushing Orimpe doctrine. Then rap like even not just Van rap man, you know, to a point where music our venda uhune wabaone. I'm the root, you know.
Dingo.
Yeah, I'm the root. So give me my flowers when I'm alive. Give me the belt. Give me the crowns, you know.
Venda ndikari kunyenga muziki omangorari. Hey, tonga baba nai. Bodo pulusa. Hebana Sound Lucid.
Hey.
Diri mini fezi na bana.
Very great now. Very right.
Hebana kuntanganedza ka sounds and stories mbekanya mishumo inei. Yotora zwezwi ndikotakana ngamanda rina vana vene hey yeah nditsi ghost havana nditsi ghost
Aragori wona
nditsi ghost but banje vadhokodomangara uri ava vana vene rikwamba navo libonye vana va Big J na Trill hevana arumirise vathu before tojena kanyambidzana zasho. Yeah, arumirise vathu ningadana zvapo nikolumirise hoyi ndinyi ndi Big Trill ndi Big J hoyi ndi Trill uri vathu dive zori ya hava nai rikwamba na uzobukuma ndivone Sound Lucid.
Yeah, uyari kwamba ndindamulero atiya aka Big J.
Hoyi unokhomba ndiwo mtakatsini aka Trill Beats.
Heaven.
Yeah.
Hey, yeah, this thing is very interesting. Ndikwamba before ushtova na Sound Lucid. Ndiyakhona kuyipronounce zone Sound Lucid.
Yeah, ndizo.
Hoba na Big J, hoba na Trilly before you guys decided to give us all this thing. Ndinyangori tume nyana tropanyana ore intro ya individuala na zori a Big J orala muzika otomahani otomalini.
Yeah, nendo toma muzika nga 2010. Yeah, 2010. I was in a crew called G Crew. I was the singer there, and then I was a singer there. I was an artist before I started making beats.
Oh, okay.
So yeah, right in Nepal. And then I recently downloaded the beat because the internet was So I decided, okay, I'm a professional narini. So ka rini wakotewa mumwe anayekotewa kuda kuita the beat and then nendari no andido utomo kuda kuita the beat. I think it was around 2011 ndiyatotoma uguda kuita the beat and then 2013 ndiyo nendaba serious ngazo kuita the beat ndali chazoimba ndatoma focus akazo
Truly gapo.
in the roommate in 2017, first year. He was actually an R&B singer. He's the one who introduced me to the software Longa Cubase and FL. But FL Studio, I think I was more attracted to it, and then that's we good. I think for about a year and a half, that good, but I was not that perfect. Mara after then, as time went on, that was perfect. And somehow, my high school friend, we don't actually do a big deal. So that's how we started knowing each other, and yeah, one of I think Rochomo exchange the contact and then the ideas in terms of music. So yeah.
Apo, and you guys before that you were like, hey, you come for our moment to you were like self-taught, not to figure it out to how to, but obviously una motivation behind it. Una batu nikoziba bona ore ya home na waita beat big jenga nge automa kweimba nene oziba una motivation kana kuzibona bango batu bene ndikare na bone boshela munenje ungaba national kana international nakuzibona bonyi.
Actually the funny part in your reach before that tangana ti ora munona ti musamaringa ti ndiani ori gudisa ita beat before that tangana ro ziva inopiwa. That's the first. Hey, ro gudisa ngamutu mti ita beat before that tangana was born. So ndiani mutu nei ndoto mobona kaya ati kudia beat za international ndione batu bo inspire uri read better make the beat ndione batu bo gudisa musamaringa
initially. Initially then they come to whatever the first mentor.
So
but then over time Richard pana muzika yini ya national local na mimi na watu wana mzuri inspire and then naka YouTube una channel zera share ka ragura the tricks na goes
very chitoma notoma ndia korabia ni zidibezitu ngo ndikalengweda zibiti una beat ya za Van Rap ni azidiba dziho notoma ngadzoka na wewe boom no mustoba standard chavewe chikotori hai beat inoni dzashui na mtu ene haimbi Van Rap hapo wadziwera ngantha ngori beat za Van Rap ni azidiba ndikale dzihone nozototoma ngadzobewe.
Hai arongoromanga ne sharp arongoromanga beat za hip hop na za hip hop ndachita electronic music na deep house bezona singoko mangabe
hebanda
bezona saazana mangabe na za na hip hop even though that I ita because nandika group ya hip hop mother
let us jani very not from good and hip hop because originally the hip hop that's the thing. Yeah, majority of the time when go take if you see na piano what is hip hop, but then over time that from it's time into the from it na Afro tech. But overall na zino karabu with hip hop Afrobeat. Yeah.
Individually before richijenaka Sound Lucid kana ka chigwada chinoni ndinyi mutu wana mwitera beat ene oishumisa avisa ruimbo ara kutomanga Big J ndinyi wana mwitera beat aishumisa kana o beat zine nikuitera crew ya mweneyo.
Yeah, the beat is zanga zotroma ndani wetera crew ya crew ya those are the first guys when you uimba ka beat zanga au crew yanga ndione watu vatomimba ka beat zanga
truly
ane kutombori just beat zanga that's the poster ka audio make ndina page ka audio make ni wanga ka wado wadona beat zanga the final mean but mfanda kopo mumbora I think now there's an upcoming artist Arjobek akachuma nena zona opinion of Frisco.
Oh yeah.
Then ndiye nene ukudangu mburu luzini. I think ringadwagorambana okay, before Sounds Lucid is from original.
Yeah.
National the Abensana Rootkid before it's from Sounds Lucid.
Yeah, Rootkid was
Yeah. Rootkid name from I think before Sounds actually Sounds Lucid the former Risto Mushumana.
Okadzi freestyle idzi.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's a freestyle, yeah.
Rinabe Rico Far freestyle ra Rootkid otomo download the beat. Matsina veiwe. Oh, matsina kadzingo veiwe.
Akadzi kankhandi waurine narakuti.
Abe ndo yende kone mwe post uchifi Rootkid oko download bari the beat. Matsina birizi kuitwa nefa yani. Hebana.
Yeah, that's what it was. Most of them. Without urine.
Zvino na decide hani kana nobona zori hebana. Yeah, tonga ngori rono mana dzi link yava fhethu muthu uri guriso beat ndi muthihi na stela zwine ra kuita zwone zwi nga zwi khoyelana na mina mini ndi khune ri form a crew kana ri form a group no zwo disa hani zwithu zori ni be duo kana ni form a Sound Lucid.
Also definitely something to the idea beach. And then I try to get a bird outside and then I send a move. And then it's in the project of now. Also. Yeah, this is that's one of the reasons. Now, at that time, I don't know.
I was better together. That was the one thing.
Sound Lucid eledzina lo disani kana litwamba mini zwavhuḓi uri na vhathetshelese vashu yeah vha tshi ḽi amba vha khou ḓivha zwori hayi heḽi dzina ḽi to nungunela nḓevheni.
I hate the level of the Rakuzama describe originality ya sound especially in the cassette because it doesn't matter or maybe on a certain loop or no a certain melody kind of drum so they want to go to the original also they want to go na departments are different every time so you know that was Lucid and Chava very clear and vivid so hence Sounds Lucid.
So nichipo no to my crew kezvila somewhere around 2019 mwana moko dang na chitela chawe chine mara already you were behind nobody na behind yabe nobody na music background nchideba zori namsada beat ya hip hop mwanga ipenzisa mwanga ita mini ngori hetse ndi hetse snare ndi snare mina so nakonesa hani uri ri khomba zwino huna ingredients dzine veiwe kha muzika wa veiwe dzi to ita uri muzika wavho ube quality ndi khomba uri a songo collide ni mwachidanga hapa no konisa hani u tumanyisa zwikili zwa veiwe na kono shumisana zwino.
That was the tricky part because music was initially was a funny as well as one. So we had to sit down and try to fuse different sounds because sound that's really the more in the darker side, mine they're more in the happy side, more in the light side. So Razamo wana pattern in Rangazamu ishimi so collide music together or record it as something chine chava chasha was one. So I would just feeling as only my right now we are thinking we're at a place in it we will reach me at a blank.
Before the tracks zine ziko diveya ni Sound Lucid no thoma no abanga Rootkid ndo rubudza kha musi track dzine bathu aba zwiḓivhi zori hit track vha idze every day veiwe ndi veiwe bene na bamuraho nga ngeini machinini.
Prima na chidoshi na chidoshi wewe
hebana
hivi
No.
bodala
una malumu to uri hunja zu una ingi dzine zingo
zinoona project yofela inayo chepeta yapo.
Mara, how do you guys feel ni Sound Lucid no rali habva treke mara you guys are not tiapo da utaka dzichibva wa ṅwalo wa dzi credit na mini for the producer the composer mini how do you guys feel treke yobva kila treke ndi hit zwino iko urwa mara vewe dzina la vewe aliho hapo
hello the situation dzine like tiri vari kuti munhu achiguda jidadi so yeah ndingazo kubva last year nokuvona zvori dzicredits dzacho dzikova oneka zvinja dzinyimbo ndingoroguda kadzine situation dzesera wakuzwa and ndinizvesi kuita nadziproject dzine dzadzikudzidwa nadzisiye dzona chedza dzinagovona rakadzo nadzicredits namo zvidzo.
How do you guys approach an artist? Ndivewo vene approach artist kana mishumo yavewe muthu onoifasa mwe mani kwama kana namusi arauni kwama artist condition dzavewe dziri mini ngori nane beat last time murahu wange beat ndachidziita mara nasokori hey ngori khamusi ndi nyinyi odhumai mase kumpa beat or ngona nne ndi duma ndingodhuva bo zibe zachimbira process yaveyo ndifio when you are working with an artist.
Mostly the artist is relevant. They don't read home, and then the other kind of the beat, and then Rimbola Kodio, Muslim Modichifera, Rakotam Bangadi, upfront payment, upfront fee, and then Rakotam Bangadi split the royalties. That's how we work. Whatever an upfront fee, and then you have another split.
And mostly we discuss easily before no commit or anything.
Yeah, before the more Satuba. You tell this guy was a very before the more Satuba, I want an agreement among our Sarautaka.
Do you think the producers what whenever it or zitu zvidipe apa ndeveni ungava muthu ene uko mixa uko mastara do you think kana nokuita beat do you think you guys are respected ngamanda ngadzi artist do you think you guys get or you are given that respect ine savathu vene ndiveu vena thoma muzika ndiyo wana yone respect?
I don't think producers like we are that respect and recognition. It's 50-50. As a producer, Omango, as if we the respect, as if we the respect, George. Was one. I feel respect for you. I'm going to no producer nyimbo. Wango dona gungura vasangofana split izezo azangofana upfront azangofana titu azangofana na kanyimbo ezoka needs was so disrespect are respect you na routine
ndikwamba arali zvino k artist una album munji dzine no producer venda the jana kadzo dzimwe dza hone hapa noni services dzine vheona re Sound Lucid idzi offera ka artist ndi mini ngauri vhathu vanji zvonori kwamba vangava vakutombola uri hai hava na vaita beat pedzi ndi mini services dzine Sound Lucid yadzi offera ka dzi artist.
Apart from beat making, dynamics and mastering, rakonu vamixera ndizvo kana dzavo kana project chete uri ive na quality sharp ive sharp vachona. Yeah, the production of paper are going off.
Yeah, erande vare ndichijana before ndichijana kaimbuso ndivare dzimwe dzi question apa dzine dzikobva ka vatecheresi huna Taylor Payne uri obusena mbuso ya uri zvi uri ndidzi wana ndikoshuma na Sound Lucid ngamanda shida ka mastering ndikotoita mini adava busaimwa apa ari arali artist yo badira studio session do you guys require split ya the royalty na if yes the answer studio session hudova huko badelwa mini?
The first question, isn't it?
Yeah.
The first question you got mini?
Uri a ḓi wane a khou shuma na Sound Lucid nga maanḓa zwi tshi ḓa kha dzi mastering u khou tou ita mini?
Oh, it's easy. Because ri tshi ḓa kha mafhungo a vha khou shuma rini in terms of mastering. U ḓo checka ka Facebook web there, and then Instagram, Artexa, and then that's where we're gonna start. Out of the phone number, automani was one. The Artexa, Instagram, Facebook, yeah, we're there.
Buse ubiria kuri arali order abadela studio session kama so recorda nyimbo za 10 abadela studio session kama sibe unori urecorda luimbo ndi 200 a recorda ezo studio session achipedza ni badela uri viwe ninga toda na split arango chitoda uba ko badichelera mini studio.
Unfortunately, right now we don't offer studio sessions, but if it's in the answer already, personally, I feel like kind producer badeliwa visa. I don't think that the producer is entitled to one of the royalties. Kare obadeliwa for recording fees, mara kare oita BC or entitled to the royalties.
If we have beaten all a party only, as well.
Yeah, that's why we say upfront fee and split. Yeah, producer, beatmaker who entitled to upfront fee, entitled to the split. And then an engineer, the muntu ane a mixer master, and then a body rusher the hour. Ako one of it. That knowledge you have to.
Yeah, Kelos uko mfano ufiai mbadero ni mbadero marai spliti chikotewa bachione nichaka bewe biti ndikarezi kuitiwa ria zvidiva na vhathu ri kunofanyisa vhathu vhene vangavo adziembe band ndikare nyimbo vho dzibvisa ho pana dzi beat maker una dzi producer una mini na ka dzi gospel hukaitwa ngoraro ndi mini chine chaita uri producer dza no maḓuvha dzi fhambane na producer dza murahu hembuso ndi khou vhusa nga uri na vhusa vhathu vanzhi kha musi muimbi na ri muimbi ndi mini chine tsho nṱuṱuwedza nda fa khomba muimbi wa murahu a tshi mṱuṱuwedza mara ni tshi vhusa ngombuso ari hayi mara ro no improve mini chine tsho fhambana kana chine tsha ita uri zwa zwino ngauri Footloop ka dziva hone na mini ka dziva hone mini chine tsha ita uri vheiwe sa producer dza zwino ni fhambana producer dza murahu.
Producer zwino ni very in my opinion Dingari there isn't better because we'll just choose accessible and we'll just use an upgrade in terms of technology and how how smooth it can work because in Canada laptop or the studio monitors you can make quality things if you the right plugins and as questions are the right software. For example, Footloop kana Cubase kana Reason or Jazz as well. So producer maybe 10 or 15 years back or even maybe 20 years back as in maybe access the funds as the corner comes to writing process with the quality as well matter idea another and so producer material it is way easier for a person to learn because there's access to YouTube and the likes as well. It's easier to get a demo software and then upload damage. Actually, that's how we did it. Gudanga the software is a demo. Footloop, Roshomanga Footloop is a demo. It's a civil project.
Need to pezane po.
Created the name. So I think it is producers on a dual and we are way more future because technology, that at too advanced. Na muzika une to evolve. Because I can compare nyimbo za mrao maybe even 10 times better also. So yes.
Koyu muthu uko da unebe unashumena hone achida setup uko to expect setup ya hani bikini yo dadza zitafula yo ni mona kana hey ardomba setup ya wewe ine every day ni shuma khe setup.
Zwikumela kha izwi zwirari kwamba uri equipment ya maḓuvhano industry especially for us. Ndi monitor na case ya PC na laptop na monitor.
Does the compressor innate over physical? Yes, reverb physical yo dzula nga hafha mini zwoṱhe. Una mbudziso pa ine khou bva kha khathu ya khou takala nga maanḓa vhathetshelesi vhashu vha khou vhudzisa dzimbudziso hafha. Ndi kale vho lindela vhathu vho no nga sa vheiwe upfhi kha heyi buḓo ḽo producer ndi mini tshine nda nga tou ri ya no ṱangana natsho tshine ya dzo vhuyesa badi ndi khou amba challenge dzine no ṱangana nadzo u bva tshine ndo thoma u tou producer?
Challenges in terms of meaning music production.
Yeah, ni khou producer kha musi no deala na vhathu no deala na dzi artist.
Trend I also remember in terms of Uguda, I wouldn't say it was a challenge because I think it was the patient. So even though I'm not going to the next one, as time goes on, maybe I'll get good. That was one. So in terms of working with other artists, Archie Trauma, especially in Mendovana Challenge, who can I find and end up the Shumanai who can work on my beat. Also, I think that was the biggest challenge with Archie Trauma because I'm a bit don't have Takan. That's a Takan. So I think that would be a challenge, you know, so cold.
As a beat maker, have you ever guys made a beat in a fazori high? Hey, I remember Adamu Imbi, Arwana Fatreke, Iborwa. Straight there.
Hey, the balance all the time.
Mara Niriminico Mimbi.
Not as a production crazy, although in a production crazy, and our other look of friends. Yeah, more. Even first people in the cook.
Hey, listen, the corner. It has hit it, Zima. Yes. Hey, Nene, hey. Mara,
I don't know. In our famous list that Marie almost. Yeah, Marie almost 2 months in the heat and something like that. That's a bit Manganes and Nigeria because I want to beat that young. Oh, I got the better something.
And the Jerry player that night got the medical interview. Or a hate reke. Or talk at the end of the peso, or record my peso ring. Suppose over ako the beatings go yana mufa ngoni nasa kuitemba.
Ado ko mufa. Another na ifila yona la beat.
Hewan at least hewan and I better come back nga 2013 page hapa ndikwamba hewan habiwe so the hey you are versatile in by the producer Njisa, I think they can learn a thing or two from you guys. Ngori sazonda mamrao biti ya venrep ya phala mara beiwe nizikonisa hani uri with this list inena bana yapa hemun huna afro huna hip hop huna piano huna dark trap huna trap soul huna mini nizikonisa hani uri muzika muona mumwe unena ku producer bewe usongofana na wa mrao nizikonisa hani?
I think makers again is baka obligatory but vanilla the people that I look up to can the producers other producers I look up to because you can say they are more modernized and they we're not to understand I think we need it because And I look up to people like who Mesh Beats, who Kanye West.
Yeah.
And mostly, mostly, it's rare when they do want to get some of the artists, local. Unless it's big, they only check, maybe, that's when I listen to that person. So, yeah. I think it's going to depend on the kind of inspiration I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Where are you getting your inspiration?
Big Jengapo.
Nay, there are the challenges, but we need something like this, and then the theory then is good. And then I'm actually open to learning on making any type of beat. So I don't know mutu na de gari na genre ni ndio ifune sakana mimi. Ndi mtu ane aba open. So mutu kare na mzia daru ya wita gospel. So I'm someone who's very open-minded to learning something new. So that's why I'm always learning. I don't want to sound the guy into it. I only crazy. Like right now, the way that I'm on the Afro because of honoring and I introduce a guy for beat. So we've been making a lot of Afro. Yeah, we've been making a lot of Afro. We also got people from Nigeria coming. So Afro ni everywhere you know. Mara chimwe chaitiwa. Yeah, I
think this is a moment you guys shout out to Mizophil Nene. He was open about Oroshimana Bonyi that interview alingunduba nepa. He was open abakotwa amboria. Hi. Look out for these guys. Look out for these guys. These guys, they are the future. These guys, hey, they're coming with a different sound. That Raniko fight was written. These guys are the one that I've worked with. No one ana hanina mizo.
Welcome to Awesome Fame.
Yeah, Awesome Fame. Yes, Awesome Fame. Yeah,
Awesome Fame. Awesome Fame. And actually, I think Awesome Fame and then we are introduced a Karuk Kid. This one is. Oh no! Root Kid introduced a car Awesome Fame.
Yeah.
So we started and then Awesome Fame from Corona. So we work with him, Mara. I don't think I want to project here because but she's much machine with you.
Yeah.
Also saying somehow or introduce a coming because all much for Tanzania and there are could be it. So Havana Vegera invite to a Marshall Resort, and then that's where we'll be making it for the first time. Right now, winter related Marshall Resort. Right now, I think we can do, yeah, that's the first song where
how was the feeling? Ikomangori Mizo ndi mtu ane unyanga zvaushimbira ngandira asi mtu ene angatoshuma nanyi and for him to come on the show or heaven, hey, these guys they're doing wonders. These guys never check. How was the feeling? Mizo ishitomo to approve or yeah, guys, hi, we are going to do something.
Hey, the way hey, or winter out of Hindurimbo, hey, oh, you're blind. It's not easy working with Mizophil at all. I've easy. God is to say that what you are. Yeah, we do touching you that structure you. Olam to Unyaga, a track is perfect. It's our tuning. Or Savannah sorrow. Yeah, we got to perfect. So I think that's a lot of things. But I'm not sure we start.
I would say get to this because yeah, from to around almost size. La Covera. Yeah, I think we get to this. And before then, before then register Karuska originally because of the free island and project.
Yahweh.
And then after the project also a big jiva and then that's a little bit of beach. You go feel good to so far and so on. So also Abuya recorded and then there I feel where I did this. And then I'm feel I need you guys to do something and then that you from there on.
If you're saying Winter was the first song, were you guys aware or you are going to be working on a full body of work? It was just testing the waters? It was something you knew upfront or do you visa something you guys are officially going to be working on this?
Although I project out, I think the writer tracking is done to that thing, and then as before, we have something to offer. I think that's when they are okay. I think you guys are ready to work on the project. So I rather be even shocked to remember the full project. I really look there as a good. I was going to use for 5 weeks. I rather be.
I remember trekking mwana chiva yonga yemo first track ya high LP Chief for Charge.
Yeah, Chief for Charge.
Yeah.
Especially like
Ardo break it down unyana ka process ya we ya beat di kwamba in a minute nyana ku break it down or hey ya ngore mizo hey treke ndorinyana niyo mvusa ngayo hey ayetereke ipersonal angasi tarucheze angasi tarucheze ndi track ya special weiwe kange murakazi beat hey ayetereke special.
I remember in terms of production or
yeah.
So traditionally vocal album also. So I got to build a structure around the vocal. So around that time. So later drumming and I think the big G 8 and melody. And that's how the song came.
Yeah, rather writer ability. Now I was actually with Mizofield and then he was in Pulwan. Now I was century on Mizofield. And then in the Bookhouse, he worked the drums, and then he had the visa, and then he was it was melody.
So, voice is not on my own.
Yeah, the vocals were on my own. It was in different beats. That beat was just not emotional to that point. So we needed something to make about emotionality.
Heaven.
Yeah,
Hey. Randir inga apa buso za batachelesi. Upi ndi dembe apa ori ya tonga ni buse ne ya rabarono yo no busi apa ori what has been your biggest setback working with different artists from different backgrounds and sounds? Yeah, ndi line tonga refundura apa noni. Habana young unique are Koi, which other producers in Venda you will also acknowledge their quality and production?
First of all, Venji.
Yeah, Venji Shumangamandana.
Uber. Yeah, Uber is dangerous. Now Uber dangerous. Yeah, Venji.
Dangerous.
In terms of piano, about dangerous. Na Venji, those guys are piano.
Bamurei.
We are more on the soulful side of piano, and then those guys are in those
Ifyo.
Producer, I think producer the Cable Boys na Buspa.
Mageba.
Mageba, yeah.
Yeah, those are the producers.
Hey.
Yeah, they are blind.
In terms of hip hop.
Yeah, mara kufani kuyela ngange ka piano ndikuno yibuyanyena ngapha ka hip hop riff so ndinyena ko
hip hop
awuna hip hop
ai
hip hop
something
mara album zamizo zambura no dzipfanyana
Android
yeah
Android Android
yeah, Android quality
we really admire quality we blind
hey koyu mwe artist ya chifumakazini yafa uko diambela avo uri kai listi ndikobona uchinga ndibanna vachifumakazini pedzi vafumakadzi vakodalini ka list kana nonoshuma navo murau tanorani ngoshuma navo 2023 na tofinditoa toniapedzavo
hapo ariko kologa wona mbangona
hebana
mara azongova make it black
make it black mara azongokuwa dzavo
supposori vachifumakadzi vakotode
yeah
kezo
roshimana wakuti ufichara kadzimwe dzinyimbo vanji vaona
mara usi dedication ya itreke yawe nemunhu ebana beno rikwamba list ine no producer ngamanda ndofapa nikwamba uri now you are penetrating to international market buso yanga iko dane hore uribe unive national nibe bathu bene cause muziko wabe webana ukurodziambera dziko buya ngamanda bafethu uribe unive national kana ribe na national artist nji kana na producer nji hapa venda nikomona zwiko daga shidagai
ribe national that's a matter of marketing yeah, marketing because Rene the artists nji zazo bobo Nigeria they are coming through our YouTube channel the beat yeah, that's where we're getting them. They're coming through, and then we also got some people from Australia. They also texted us through the channel. They actually want this beat. The mafunga social media and mafunga marketing. That's how it's gonna become international. Mazoni zangu ba international. They was go wala na zina watu watonga una watu watonga bo fame. Yeah, baba wana zina ozwa.
Yeah. Ndidzwa ndikopfa asi kare apa ka social media. Producers golira, dzene producers dzine kamsinga seziboni post dzabo. Vakodzirira vachiri voshuma gai abako baderiwa. Kamusi abana mabambiri kana mini doro papo advice ori ngorina boyo ndi akhono dzipira nepo mara no amba murapo na no guda ka hena pira hone doro papa advice ori ebana this is what you need to do, this is what you need to do, don't do this, make sure you have this, make sure you don't have this.
Yeah, producer ni difukane at some point mara sinaja woni yori have an upfront conversation between the artist and the producer. And then we're going to run at the spreadsheet where the percentage in Benofera, okay, in producer and the one 5% or whatever and the one I own. And also, we have a copy. Yeah, this is not good. What I want to conversate in Munganamo, I cannot be what I mean from this song. I'm the winning boy over, I'm the project over.
Yoba.
You got to ambiwa isa tupa. Ula tupa na agreement nyimba aiko tayoba. After an agreement nyimba aiko tayoba. Just know that
here conversation I think it is only before the solution on a chicken. if muthu approaches and then approach nga artist ukuthi at least muthu ave approach producer zamburi obvious ono vana interest shuma naye so yeah ukuthi vana ukuthi nje kudzeri okay isikho chuma so nikoveni ukuthi njeitsana na because ungadivukwenela the project is solution and then azakumanga azono
zobvanza ngokudziwa beunasayiniwa kana ningoshuma sa individual sa group yaveiwe kana ntovana na bura ine na reminimini wadzishela mulenzhe azini thusa pala na pala kana ya una management ngamurahu
management initially arasana na park
okay
management so I think that's why kuna connection also between also Shane and the film because that's already approach and then I sign for management and I think that's why it's really kuna communication between the na Masham because it's through back
but renara ngosaini I don't say my name is very good. Some is an independent company. Yeah.
Are you guys thinking of I'm not sure if you have done it. Ramona DJ Khaled. Ramona but the producer njivo mesh beats via visa the album, visa the EP, visa the mini. Are you guys thinking of that? Can you already have something like that on the way? Can I know you previously?
We're working on a project right now. Yeah, Uchumaka project.
Or it will be
that's
like,
what we're doing right now.
For DJ Khaled style, Bomesh beats.
This is like, yeah, the project.
That's what you call DJ Khaled. Don't channel ya YouTube up and then record of beats. Nico, beats in the beats in little baby. Anga feature on DJ Khaled the car. It over quality ya on ndara ya havana pakurita something so pakurita zono ngasa zizwi
yeah aragoshima nazo actually muthu ori pusha oroshima nazo the film feels like you guys need to release your own music so yeah that's what we're doing.
Do you guys work with other producers ngore nikwamba I'm not sure if it's easy for you guys to work with other producers kana vewe yeah ndotambana ngandira ine ndikwamba production yabewo ni rai production yashu yoferera hey smucha dadamwe muthu aifara vanna ndiyeneyi alubve kana niyadzira hai actually yeah hey aripe nyinyi aripe mageba aripe nyinyi or adzipanga chino chawe apange tundu kana mini
yeah rashima na the producers mara mutunara rashimesa ngamanda naye 90% of the project in very and then mutunara rashimesa ngamanda naye yeah then nine over something and then another work something. We also have generally another the Qatar the music as someone that we also work with when it comes to the guitars. Yeah, rashima is the producers.
Una arukwati apa arukwati pedzuru nundu ori ndini vusori vewe shere ni koitana ngo producer are for example una mwe wabaimbi Fortunate oba korira ore production kana producer dzinyimbo na dzi artist mara uproducer dzinyimbo na dzi artist marai habukiwi and artist baita chelede nga gigi nga nyimbo dzawe ufibe weni kuitana chelede
okay, Rene specifically are the artist, are the producer.
Uri Fortunate over achitera batu the beat comes Fortunate oitera we beat ni baimbi we unasuka na performer na bukiwa bad that night achere the bad ene asko bya baderiwa so uri bewo mara chede ni koitana
no Rene the project that should go to the go through Masham we want to invoice the upfront payment plus the royalty. Zote nyimbo umurena mini unazi script zine zihole namthu and the invoice zihole. So up to so far everything is in order. Yeah.
Yeah, ndakhala upindule ari khwaṱhifhedzi muṅwe khou vhudzisa pa uri no guda mini nga u shuma na Mizo Phil?
A lot. Ara guda zwa video sound. Ara guda uri ya rimbo ndio luparo nyirungi uri until ngitopori rubizwa until ushilo irakadzo. That's something though as muthu ane asetla for less. I think that's one of the most important things that we will learn from me. I don't settle for less, so everything has to be perfect. Even though I don't want to use perfect, Mara, it's got to be close to perfect. So that's something that we learned from working with him. Yeah, and this was very good, man. The most important one here.
Danado.
So that Mara, the most important that I actually took away from staying with him for months working on the project. Because honorary, you don't have to settle for less. You have to make sure that everything is proper. Chitava chikonyitaka chichizara chijob. Ngori na chaka nitaka zinchi saka bonga battery. As baba had. Chito nitaka the difference that we piece. So that's something that we will learn from him.
Ndi mini zwine brand ya vheiwe ndo ndi fani kwamba uri zwa zwino ni khou nyanga uri brand ya vheiwe iye vhathuni vhathu vha ni ḓivhe ndi ngazwo khamusi ni khou shuma na thendela uri ni to ḓivhea ni dzi introduce zwavhuḓi na marketing u vha hone. Ndi mini zwine ni khou nyanga uri vhathu vha tshi pfa dzina ḽa Sound Lucid zwi ḓe muhumbuloni wavho brand ya vheiwe ni nyanga i tshi structure nga nḓila ḓe angei kha vhathu?
Ishingera kucheka sana mambo was mindini ya branding. I think challenge here na mtu nayo ndio wale format ya sharp kana idea ya sharp iri ringa tu diisa nkawa because already music and it's never given ringaita music any type of music na kutoa but how zero go bisa hani watu. I think for now that is the biggest challenge. It's so much trouble with that. So yeah, arguto that is good as well. Good and that is ikadwa challenge ka karole branding and marketing ikadwa yeah that is ikadwa challenge kuluza ka karole
yeah ngamba fungo line yeah uri brand ive strong wangenza yeah marketing njiro nikoto yanga manda. That's why niko deni buse mbudisa ya uri nona simbudzisa ndi kuinga uri bathu badhive uri bachini ntoda vheiwe zwavhuḓi vhani wane gai ngori social media hano maḓuvha ndi yone ine i khou bva phanḓa ndi yone momantende hangei phanḓa kha uri muzika wa vheiwe kana vheiwe vhani wane zwavhuḓi. Ndo to amba hoṱhe hune na wanala hone kha social media ni to dodombedza na mafounu ra dzi yone dza business ni dzi posta hanefha na ndo dzi post up kha dzi comment vhathu vha dzi wana.
Arne wana kha YouTube, Instagram, na Facebook at Sound Lucid. Na TikTok or at Sound Lucid. So yeah, platforms zote. Na hizi na WhatsApp or yeah, unaona kama WhatsApp. And WhatsApp is in there. I think ngeni yenyewe relative kubuka those times. And then the first test.
So zwino ri kwamba so who else are you guys working with? Ti kwamba ka project ya vheiwe kana ka project ya vheiwe ara hone ane ndi shuma naye ndi nnyi muṅwe muthu ane ndi khou shuma naye ane vhathu vha khou tou lavhelela something tshine tshi khou ḓa?
Given the chief. No. The key. Una the G. Una film. Una really. Yeah. I think. Na even level this guy, the show is actually the one in our compact again. She may in the artist Rashomana on the deed. And I am me, going to Rashomana.
Yeah.
Mm.
Yeah. Nani na yapa given the chief. Yeah. Aye. Yeah. Arari ningo shuma na yasema zora aye. Ni versatile za mkuma. Ngaro ya. Musika ulani unobapa lani. Aye. Ore ndi trap ya stangani. Ndi musika une aye venda au kurodibeya sabuzo ndi ufiyo. Ndi mua musika ene iko todeya marasa dizo iko todeya ilani. Yeah. Uko shuma kamanda. Venda hapa uko shota mini ngamanda ara kwamba kama muzika uko shota mini
go the mama uko shota ni
mara no zwani afonga una something una something nje ko shota ngor aras na chono ko shota ndi musi rikwambai kamusi olwambo lwa shuna roni ruchi ko bale yangenta kana ukwete something
Rory, venda tu koruya. Ada dulu macam tadi ini. Aku baru riwane recognition reconnaissance venda. Rene orang urunjisa.
Yeah, I think we know that we are talking about it because when I think the marketing is also
Yeah, proper marketing
because when I check Zendana na marketing ile wangi Pretoria na gege. It's simple where artists blow it up if it is to Pretoria or Benja than movie event. Yeah, I think we're going to go short of it.
Yeah,
for marketing.
Yeah, it will be power to
marketing ukusumbedza ubutokwa ngamanda nyo ubuse ngumbuse ine ndo busa watu banji utonga people have different thinking ahembo dziso ni wononga ni kwine usainiwa kana ni kwine usasainiwa
it's tricky. It's tricky.
No, here's it. Dependa ka zuko dependa ka artist ni yako approach.
Yeah, on the situation.
Na situation ni artist area wa ikaya because label in the approach artist and the artist is desperate for anything. As opposed to the artist na defend the limit angakono wayara lawyer ine check contract ya negotiate contract ya shaka kana so I think it depend ka situation na ya artist ya ka.
The good or best situation is good karana kwa go kutantu who be established as an artist. Mara someone who's also established, I don't think Kuroya got a good label.
Unless it's distribution.
Yeah, unless you're talking about distribution. Yeah, distribution, yeah, that's very important. Need distribution. But to say new boy, someone can go to trauma upcoming artist. Yes, for exposure and as I knew, or Nikono, one of that exposure. But Mutaneo, I never na exposure. I don't think it's necessary. Distribution deal. That's what you be going for distribution deal than being signed to a record label.
Yeah. The minute no dilana za artist nyinga maunda. Comes to one artist ane oita kana oni approach ngandela ine we wono mfani sengo takara kana no fa akini approach na bozira mini ndi minute nangari artist vachidaka viwe kana isinezo nto ba habit ndi habit kazi artist zineba ngatori nene ngatori hey bana richani yezu zwithu ni te so tikomba di producer ni komba di artist
yeah yesu nana msira komba ngazo ibile zutene na msira most of the times udo toma kawa tako arebe regushmana in charge of guy and then you see remember the charge of guy as a Korea okay the young wrong kind also so the just been mfango we as a professional comes a negotiation kana ni kacho tumela negotiation chimwe chunge yavahone mara uzione zvori when people just chance wakuziva ndizvo zvachikuita so yeah ndiyayo kungana nezvikuita.
Ari ne-advice the young producers ngori bathu banji producer venda robara tonga bathu banji vambodziyera kabhodho lotoimba kana nawana muthu achiimba ndovaproducer mara ambotofakisa kamafhungo oimba ngotonga zviyakonda rini munhu ndodziimbera kabhiti dzanu ari dzofa dziproducer na vathu vene vakotonyadza production kana vaproducer.
Okay, zvinoda vachambozvoresa samutano kurutome uguda I think zviava topic if muthu aguda achikoroteverera trend because if vangacheka nazvino vona producer inji ine vangaekwayo aita bichema piano mara other muthu ari kugenera imwe Australia yeah, so I think the best way uri muthu agude actually yes music production idange muthu some sort of passionate na music too. I think uri something ukuitwa music waso ukurwesa madzivano mivili aguda obviously challenge with this chakaine elections nyakuita. So I think music production on is based on passion. Yeah, wakunova na background ya music theory na music. Wakuita chakona change changatisha pamba in terms of music.
Yeah, and then producer was versatile. Yeah, because we have right now Mapiano it's at the top. Mapiano I watch you my children it was in way. Are you going to be able to be flexible and make it your own? Currently, the answer is no. You are not ready for music production, unfortunately. You want to be flexible in this game for you to stay relevant. You need to be flexible. And then Karama Piano, or the Narakudien, someone got a Jama piano and fuse it with what you already know, music-wise. And then I sound the yarn. It's also about you got to adjust something from that genre,
and I think it goes. I think it's related like the artist because one artist you go copy a certain artist at that time you go pop so I think it's related like the artist. Yeah. So all in all, you go around our captation of the if the artist can be producer, the image and character, yeah. So that's how most artists can put their blow up. So if a group okay, that certain person is at the top, which means you're good and go to compare and then you go to the top. As assuming I am there. Does it work at all?
Hey, yeah. Producers, the young producers, the way it's the fair. Ebana mafuko amitengo muthu uambana bewe ngamitengo musi ono ani approach musasi mafunga ene ngori yaita chi negotiate wana mina mafunga ene ngatori care figure ngori ngifika bathu bayashaba ndibori 10,000 but no iya uyaka 1,000 bathu bayashaba.
Yeah, figure out of na figure to kala ngini. It's all about negotiation. I don't want to figure never figure all the time. When I figure, of course, for people who are named, the upcoming artists, of course, they don't have that. And then I want to figure for the record labels. I want to figure for the films. So, out of an figure in everything, about yoni as well.
Ore muimbi wa dida abadera biti ya 150 yawa ayete kana.
Nah, zingapite
Sebazor angadipa somewhere.
Yeah, I was the honest young producers was not go films of that 150 mara the for 150 boy.
Oh, unala mapongo fi the non-exclusive not exclusive. Mazori
Yeah.
ndibe navyo ni azvitela zvone khamusi ndoda ndari beat inoni ndorengela beat yawo ya mutengo wapasisa masina inonirengisira kuti va 10 unodobvisa ronotakadza ndi rwawe ndi zvezvo zvione
We don't like it. Arina ritova nadzo dzi-exclusive nadzo non-exclusive. Ndi beat nichirenga karine ndiyazvo. That's why mutengo waoni utova unonanyana because beat nichirenga karine ndiyanu andinoshira namwe muntu. Our exclusive nadzo non-exclusive. Yeah.
ngori hey ya anodzipfidzila sensi mini dzilisi
The licensing arokadzo.
ya evan ndimini chine ndingatovhara ngacho kha vathu vene vo tichelesa na vathu venei hitopedze embika yemushumo iyi vathu va kho ḓo ṱalela na vone kana va kho ḓo u tevhela page ya veiwe ngo ndo i tega hafhanoni na dzi customer dziṅwe dzi ḓo dzi ḓa kha veiwe ngori listi na dzinyimbo dzine ro no dzi amba hafha vho dzi pfa vha khou manga uri maswa ndi veiwe zwa zwino ri khou amba hu na muṅwe muthu ene zwino u khou to drop hafha vha khou ni thoma ndi nga ri mini kha vhathu ri khou tou vala
But our situation, we are always open to work with everybody,
especially if you are talented.
Yeah, especially we're looking for people who are now talented. Also, that we co-sign one of our co-sign, and then we work with them and build with them. Those are the people that we're also building with. Also, the females, we don't work with a lot of females. A lot of females can come too.
Yeah, females, Katudzaga, Papa Nene, or
actually, we've worked with her. Ronashimana, Mara Trufei. No, Trufei, a song about.
Oh, yeah. There's a song with, Fame. Yeah.
Yeah.
Una, we foot up or even, because then Kwa Marco create something. We Jason already couldn't come with something. Even
Jason actually Jason role una project in layer kidia ya kutiu.
Yeah,
Arunashima name round. So he's also welcome.
Oh, iko va, aingu chabvare.
Yeah,
I don't think it will.
Zino the project ni manono badero ngori ni shuma ni amba before. Ubono
that project was one of those learning curves that I've come with. That project was one of those. Yeah, and that project was one of those. Maybe it's one of the things in the Victoria that the move.
Mara muimbi ada are unyanga bitia so na shuma nae. Zoriko vaga na hivi anichana ndawa veo.
Baba you are out of our hands. Mutu angaziyo badela chitu asachipise oba uluza bati karena rabatilia rasezi
hey yeah ebana Big J na Trilly kubanga manda mabana bashu ebana zia hanedzea nga manda rekodo wana list ya 2023 fedzi yena shuma bewe ndafanisa kokholwa nichiri hapa una dzimwe dzine hayi nosokora ariite ngori vaimbi beatmaker udzula kuita beat na vaimbi udzwa kurecorda namutsisa khorwa udzwa kurecorda uri ave kodzi kwatisa chikini chawe na veiwe ndi edzo dzimwe una dzimwe dzine nodzita ngoraro mara kadzila tobva hevana mahiti ende kuona apa hevana isanipanda ngorara mabana bashu mafungwe namba sadzi producer tuku na khulwa nei yevana vathu vanyi vado guda zvino ngauri marketing is one of the best things. And kotaka ngori veiwe niko jena zvino niko zvidhiva zori where you guys need to improve, where you guys need to go ngori eva ndingasiyambe chitu nga beat na veiwe ndingasiyambe uri ngoti chincha minika beat eva mushumo wave woto mate wokwata nditombo line ufitombo likwata nga madhi adona shereswa madhi woto mate te so eva hapo unei and nisodani zwabdinga manda bucks ndimwa vanna vene hayi ndiyamudiva ya vula magete hayi fana ngoraro udovula na vewe nishumisa nga manda dzi internet mihumbulo yavewo ndi ḓivha zori aiho happen yo no vha kulesa ni vho ḓivha zori vho ye vha khou ita mini ni vho ḓivha zwinzhi nga maanḓa shumisani zwezwo ngauri competition yavewe i songo vha hafhanoni hayani aive nnḓa hangeni ndi zwone zwine zwo ita uri ni kone u swika ni vhe international ngori na shuma ni khou humbula hanefha fhedzi hayani muthu wa Nigeria a tshi ḓa a ni nga koni u mu accommodate muthu wa America a tshi ḓa a ni nga koni u mu accommodate ngauri u khou nyanga zwithu zwine ono zwi pfha ngori hu na vhana nga tshikhuwa upfhi mini he's well travelled na vhana vhene they are well travelled vho no tshimbila mashango ḓavha ha ḓa muṅwe munna a khou nyanga luimbo lwa Spanish mini mini lu nga si fane na luimbo ya Van Rap ya fhano so you guys ndi koni themba internet ndi zwithu zwa vheiwe shumisani ngo ralo mavhana mashifarani ngo ralo muzika wa Venḓa ndi kale khou ni ṱoḓa farani ngo rali vhathu vha Venḓa nso to vha chargesa nso to vha chargesa vha khou zama luwa ha singo vha chargesa ndi hayani ha nnḓa ngeni hayi vha gagabuleni hange nnḓa ni chargena nga dzi dollar hange nnḓa vhana mishumo yawe i postiwe na dzi website arani nadzo dzi posteni zwo zwiwe fhethu nthihi zwive kha central hune iṅwe na muṅwe u ḓo kona u zwi wana khulupa nga maanḓa mavhana vhashu
ni ri khou livhuwa musi no ri invite ke interview ma a ri khou livhuwa next time ri tshi vhuya that's all the story
ndi khou nyanga zwone ngori ndo fani ku amba uri international Nigeria gai yevana everything is possible now chitanda yoni nacho and ni vhavhili ndi tag team nto na vhona phala kha wrestling vha to khadana uṅwe a tshi khadiwa u vha khou bvela nga nnḓa vha khou awela hola muṅwe a tshi neta u khada muṅwe a tshi vhuya suma zwori a u no pfhi training khou ima no theni muṅwe a tshi dzhena u vha kha ḓivha fresh ni maṅwe ya phanḓa suma zwori hayi a u no ima a u no pfhi hayi vhana ro neta a u netiwe ngori ni khou ṱhaḓulana vhana shumani ngo ralo
okay
kezo ro nga maanḓa heaven hava nai ni ro ndi fhese ngo vhona vhathu afha vhene vho ri ṱalela heaven ya Kola Rodolphe Ru Kola ya vhathu vhanzhi na musi a vhaṅwe ṱahela mbekanyamushumo ndi mbekanyamushumo ine ri make sure ri ḓisa vhathu vhene ya heaven u guda a u fheli listi ya Sound Lucidia production ya last year ya na muhwepai hayi u vho muṱuku hafha kha list ya ṋaṅwaha hone a zwi ḓo vhuya nga maanḓa khevala Misophil Miss Call Awesome Fame No Suffer ana una rine Ratchakil JR Player ndi vhatambi dendere Misophil Murray eban Misophil it was written LP yote fu ndene vavanna Lidenya ndene vavanna Scape G Trendy evash sa artist dzitireni favor ni wane hava vanna ni shume ndo zamu no niyambela mitengo ri ha Venḓa vho basingo ri ni gagabulesa asinga ngongwana JR Player una rina since lockdown Misophil chief of charge ndo itamba hanefha he vhana nene ndi vhone Misophil stay the same Pro P Post Percy Mukwebo just woke up vhana wamba ndupfa nungu nitsingoguda zwithu ndamusi nichaḓivha this your boy man Gail Mr. Do this all the time ndi khou vhuya nga hafha ndi tshi vhuya nga hafha ya ndi khou vhuya na nnyi ya ḽavhuraru ḽi ḓaho ndi na muṅwe wa vhathu vhene ndi mafuna nga maanḓa Dembe Yeshua khuluka nga maanḓa hey khuluka nga maanḓa ya hey vha itakula vhukuma vha vhanna get in touch with learn ya Kola alukhwaṱi fhedzi Kola Khathu ro nga maanḓa Owi Jason Young Unique comment ndi nga maanḓa vhathu vha shukuru nga maanḓa vhathu vhene vha dzula vha khou shela mulenzhe vhana hovho ḓuvha ḽa vhashumi Attend. This boy man girl Mr. do this all the time. No tu. Dito sani apa ni chito.